Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that comes from an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. And a lot of these companies right now are kind of hurting because there's Japan Crate's one of them. There are other subscription box companies out of Japan. A lot of postal services are kind of shuttered right now. Like Japan Post won't ship to the US currently. So I mean, if you go over there and you do get a subscription, you're gonna have to wait, but you'll be glad you did. You'll be helping out a nice little company, you know. They're not a huge company. So anyway, what I have here is this. It's really hard when the lids are plastic, or when the packaging is plastic, but and that is called what's that brand? Yamamoto Seifun Kizami Age Udon. Age? Kizami Udon is one of 2 udon dishes that blah blah blah. Anyways, it's got fried tofu. It's not it's like toasted fried tofu, and it's not the marinated sweet tofu that you usually have in kitsune udon. So should be interesting, fun, enjoyable. You're gonna like it. Don't pitch a fit if you don't. I don't care. So, got a bowl here. Gonna put all the stuff in the bowl. Wow, this bowl the bowl is listing. So what I'm gonna do, just out of an abundance of caution, which is a term that's been used, a phrase rather, that's been overused lately, having to do with the COVID-19 virus. I'm going to put it in this container just to make sure that it doesn't like spill all over the place and kill everybody. Which is kind of why everybody's been putting their own containers. Get it? So they don't spill out and kill everybody. But, potato. Mimi's saying potato or potato out there, I think. We just had our, his school has online preschool, special school. And then in it's Tuesday, today we had an online play date. And one of the teachers went and they're like, hey, let's all do yoga. So all the kids did yoga. It's like a 15 minutes. Yeah, good stuff. Now I'm gonna give this a little stir. And then I'm gonna lid it up for, hey, here's a lid. 3 minutes. Alright, so that'll happen. So what's going on today? Not much here. Hanging out at home. Did some walking earlier. Gonna do some more walking later. Gotta get more salad, you know. And I went early to the store because I usually don't go to the store early. And I didn't go as early as I could, but I think I might try going early tomorrow, like as early as I possibly can. So I go down the cleaning items aisle Man, it's like, it's off. I go down the cleaning items aisle, and usually it's just like barren. It's a wasteland, right? Well, I went down there 2 hours after they opened, like around 8 a.m., and there was some disinfecting wipes available. I was like, so maybe if I go there like, oh, I don't know, 6:30, 7, maybe they'll have a lonely bottle of 409, and I can get it for my wife. I'll go get a ribbon and put it on it like a present, because I mean, geez, those things are hard to find. If you go on eBay, they've got like a bottle of Formula 409, and it's like $50. Ridiculous. Come on. There's somebody sitting there like, yeah, I got like 50 bottles of Formula 409. I don't know why. It's like, are you cleaning anything with it, sir? No. Is it sitting in I bet you most of the Formula 409 is sitting in a hoarder's dungeon, not doing anything. That's sad truth. Well, let's rip apart a couple of these little tickets. What do we got here? 50 cents off. Chips Ahoy. Those don't ever really taste like cookies to me. You know what I mean? They kind of just taste off. It's like they need something. 50 cents off. Duracell AA. Yeah. The worst place you can buy double A's is at the grocery store. Get them on Amazon. They're so much freaking cheaper. Wow, yeah, they are. Nothing. I swear, they give me all these tickets and then I like tell people not to shop at their store. I really want more free stuff though. That'd be nice. No. Looks like it's gonna rain, but I don't think it is gonna rain. It's at a slight chance. I still want to go out and get a bunch of steps in. 50 cents off Snyder's of Hanover pretzels. Not a regular consumer of Snyder's of Hanover pretzels. Sorry, Snyder's of Hanover. Okay. So let's get rid of our excess water. Wasting water, throwing it down the drain. I know somebody's gonna have a cow over that. Dirty hippies. See, that tastes just like bonito broth. What the? There we go. Yeah, that just tastes like that bonito broth I'm used to from Kitsune Udon. Which is okay, I mean, as long as it's a good one. A lot of the time I really just can't stand it. Just too sweet, but... There you go. You see that? Bro... Got some depth to it, wow. Let's try this. So, imagine this is toasted tofu as opposed to like soaked in sweet stuff tofu. And it tastes about exactly the same to me. Give this a try. Just wait till you see the next one. Tomorrow's video, forget about it. Not one of my favorites. Honestly, this style of ramen, udon, what have you, I just never liked it. Like Kitsune Udon, it's just funky. I'm not a big fan of it. Once in a blue moon, I'll have one. I'll be like, you know, that's nice. But this one's kind of rubbing me the wrong way. And I like to be rubbed correctly. So let's see what we got here. We got some add-ons that I think will be very nice. We're gonna add some pho. You know what this is? It's called flour pho. Yeah, a little pho. Put a couple on there. One pho, two pho. And they're just basically like bread. And they go, they just suck up that broth. They also mentioned Naruto Maki, which I have. Let's allow the pho to do their pho thing. Pho. 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 Foo, 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 foo. I think the kids are doing things to anger my wife.
Miles, you're gonna flip it. Knock it off.
Uh-oh. And here is the spring onion. And some of that. And so I've got some Naruto Maki. That's what we got going on next. Oh, those children. They're causing some havoc. I'd have to do an intervention on the kids. I think they're just really stir crazy and crazy. It doesn't help that my wife is dealing with a horrible kidney stone currently. They need to be nice little kids. Yes. I've never had one, but as my brother would say, you shouldn't know from it. You shouldn't know from it. Okay, and I think did I wrangle that? I did. And is this? Yeah. So this is like a tempura topping that works well with udon. I think I'm gonna add a smattering of that. And we got tempura and squid. Squid bitty bits. There we are. And sesame seeds? Could do that. I'm thinking maybe just a little bit more spring onion in the corner here. Alright, let's have a look see. Whoa, come on. Darn it, stop happening. Okay, and here, man, I just made some chicken on this stuff, or in the oven. This thing is freaking hot. All right, let's get something groovy. That's udon. Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you how to cook your noodles. Today, udon, with special guests, Narutomaki, flour fu, and tempura. You've been causing no good. You've been up to no good, small child. Starring the children. Hello, the children. Ah! Well, not bad. This has been On's the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.
The Mayonnaise Tower was unearthed in 1908 by renowned paleontologist Turd Ferguson. Noted for its scent of cheese and a palace for the ancient mayonnaise kings, the tower has captured the minds and bowels of millions, most notably the chairman of the Antwerp charity Rambling Stokesmanavers.